Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. end-of-day recap for Friday, March 27, 2026. We'll cover key developments across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Major indexes face substantial declines, with the S&P 500 index closing at 6,375.66, down 101.51 points. Dow 30 index lost 793.49 points, closing at 45,166.63, while the Nasdaq Composite Index fell 459.72 points to close at 20,948.36 amid strong negative trends. A negative breadth across major indexes was observed, with significant declines outnumbering advances. In the S&P 500 index, 98 stocks rose, while 392 fell. The Dow 30 index saw only 6 advances against 24 declines, reflecting a very strong negative trend. Examining returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index showed a weekly total return of minus 3.23% with an average daily return of minus 0.64%, indicating strong downward pressure. The S&P 500 index revealed a month-to-date total return of minus 7.32%. Energy led gains with a 1.8% rise to 962.26, marking a new all-time high close. The consumer defensive sector reached 920.12 with a 0.77% daily gain, breaking a 3-day flat streak. Utilities extended a 5-day rally, while basic materials and real estate posted declines. Consumer Cyclical dropped 3% to 1,691.82 amid volatility. The financial services sector fell 2.4%, breaking out downward after being flat. Communication services continued its negative trend with a 2.2% decrease, alongside technology's 2% and healthcare's 1.7% declines. In global markets, Chile led with a 1.2% rise, followed by South Korea's 0.82% increase. Thailand gained 0.79%, while Malaysia and Australia recorded smaller upticks amid mixed trends. Examining returns, Chile experienced a 2.15% weekly total return, while South Korea faced a year-to-date total return of 24.44%. Thailand posted positive returns year-to-date, despite month-to-date losses across markets like Malaysia and Australia. Today in the technology sector, the darlings ended on a sour note. Apple closed at 248.80, shedding 4.9, reflecting a very strong negative trend with a 1.6% decline. Alphabet closed down for the second consecutive day, with a hefty decline of 6.98, landing at 273.76, experiencing strong downward volatility and marking a 2.4% drop. Amazon fell significantly by 8.20, closing at 199.34, breaking downward after a brief consolidation period, showing a 3.9% loss. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms and Nvidia joined the descent, with Meta dropping by 21.82 to 525.72, and Nvidia retreating to 167.46, each marking a strong negative trend with considerable volatility.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. This moment sees a downturn across major cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is down to 65,813.30, decreasing 2,955.72, marking a 4.2% fall. Meanwhile, Ethereum dropped to 1,980.69, down 78.5, reflecting a 3.7% decline. BNB follows suit, tumbling to 608.77, a decrease of 19.88 or 3.1%. Solana slides further with a 4.7% slump, sitting now at 82.39. Finally, Dogecoin breaks downwards to 0.0897, down 2.5%. Diving into crypto returns, weekly and yearly figures present a cautious tale. Bitcoin posts a weekly total return of -2.99% and a significant yearly drop of -24.78%. Ethereum bears even more, with a weekly decline of -3.54% and a year-to-date plunge of -33.24%. BNB reflects much the same, with a weekly downturn of -2.81% and -29.51% for the year. Solana's metrics show a weekly loss of -4.42% and a sharp yearly fall of -33.8%. Lastly, Dogecoin endures a modest weekly drop of -0.51%, yet glares with a yearly fall of -23.53%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is exhibiting strong movements against major world currencies. Against the euro, it is currently up, trading at 0.8683, a gain of plus 0.0016. The dollar has shown a very strong positive trend for 4 consecutive days. Meanwhile, the dollar has strengthened notably against the British pound, climbing to 0.7537, up by plus 0.0035, indicating a strong positive trend. Over in Asia, the Japanese yen remains under pressure, with the dollar reaching 160.2870, rising by plus 0.5020. The dollar is nearing a one-year high against the yen, with a robust trend continuing. Similarly, the dollar has advanced against the Swiss franc, trending positively at 0.7989, a rise of plus 0.0044, with some upward volatility observed. Lastly, the dollar maintains a mixed positive trend against the Australian dollar, trading at 1.4557, up by plus 0.0045, reflecting some volatility.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.